The Microsoft Surface is a multi-touch, multi-user platform used to develop applications and interactions. The Surface can register up to 50 points of touch at any time. So, several people are often interacting with the Surface together, sometimes each performing a different action and allowing applications to have a much more widespread, multiple user appeal. The Surface tracks each point of contact as an XY coordinate, which also combines with a direction and shape to allow the Surface to see each point of contact. The Surface uses 4 infrared cameras positioned in its base to literally see what's on top of it. The cameras allow for more points of contact with the device than a standard capacitive multi-touch screen seen on many commercial touchscreen smartphones. Microsoft Surface applications are developed using Microsoft Visual Studio and are coded in Windows Presentation Foundation, WPF, along with C# code, which is a variant of Microsoft's popular programming language C++. By using WPF's display features, along with Surface's multi-user interactions, simple applications such as displaying text are possible. By using more advanced Surface multi-user actions such as scatter view, applications such as drag, drop, and resize are possible. By taking the previous program a step further, multiple scalable and rotatable objects can be created and occupy the same scatter area. Once again, by associating the 2 programming languages, WPF and C#, much more fun and interactive applications can be created, such as tic-tac-toe. Using 9 buttons in the shape of a tic-tac-toe board, 2 people can now compete against each other to win the game. By using another Surface-specific action called Ink Canvas combined with background C# code, a multiple-color, multiple-user paint program can be created. One of the most interesting and innovative features of the Surface is your ability to use almost any object to interact with it. To allow the Surface to interpret an object you place on its top, unique tags are used on the back of an object and associated with the application through C# and WPF code. In this program, when a tag deck of cards is placed on the Surface, a paint palette appears, allowing the user to choose a color and move the palette out of their way or remove it completely.
We got involved with programming the Surface about 4 months ago when it arrived here from Microsoft. The multi-touch environment allowed us to make interesting programs and allowed our applications to have a more natural feel to our users. Over the past 3 years, our programming classes, such as Java, web scripting, intro, and AP, have all helped us in our understanding of programming on a device that we're not familiar with. Without our programming background, the understanding of Windows Presentation Foundation and C# programming, the development process would have posed a much greater challenge.
Since beginning our work with the Microsoft Surface, many different ideas and opportunities have come up. Our goal in programming the Surface is to take these ideas and turn them into a reality, using both our experience in programming and a little bit of imagination to invent interesting, useful, and sometimes fun applications. As you saw, our progression in our understanding of Surface programming started off simple with programs like Hello World and Photodump, and evolved into more complex applications utilizing C#, such as tic-tac-toe and tagged paint. For example, recently we've begun work on a photo mosaic application in which the user can select a given image from their computer and recreate it as a mosaic using different photos. More important than the photo app, however, is the potential of the Surface to be used as an educational tool. For example, We have started planning a map matching program that would allow students to remember the locations of different countries on different continents by placing them in their correct locations.